Welcome to this edition of the Neves Library Tutorial. This is going to be a very quick presentation. This presentation is geared toward our Youth Services Department, who is currently getting ready to go outside of our doors to some of the local high schools and give a presentation on dystopian fiction. So I have their PowerPoint presentation up here. Last year, when we visited the schools, the PowerPoints weren't compatible. Their schools do not have PowerPoint 2010, they have an older issue. So, while the PowerPoint presentation here looks terrific, I'm going to show you very quickly how to change the format to save a presentation in a previous format so that this can be used anywhere. First thing we're going to do is go into the background of PowerPoint, which is under File, the File tab here. And we're going to click Save and Send. Once we click Save and Send, we have numerous options under heading Save and Send and File Types. The first option under File Types is Change File Type. That's what we want to do. Once we click Change File Type, we can choose what type of presentation file it will be. Right now it is currently pptx, which is the 2010 version of PowerPoint. So instead we are going to change it to PowerPoint 97 to 2003, which is just a PPT. Anyone with a newer version of PowerPoint will still be able to view this older presentation, and those that haven't updated PowerPoint will also be able to view it. So let's go ahead and click PowerPoint 97 to 2003. And then on the very bottom, Save As. Here you can see that it's going to be saved as a 2003 PowerPoint, and you can choose where you want to save it. I will save it in a folder on the desktop just for now. Click Save. And you are done. Now, let's walk through that one more time. When creating a presentation in 2010 PowerPoint, it will be saved as a pptx file. In order to play these on an older edition of Microsoft PowerPoint, we will need to change the format to the 97 to 2003 PowerPoint. To do that, we will go under File, down to Save and Send, and under File Types we will click Change File Type, select PowerPoint 97 to 2003, and click Save As. Once you click Save As, you will then have a PPT format, or the older edition of PowerPoint, and be able to play across multiple years of Microsoft PowerPoint with no problems. Now, that was easy, wasn't it? You should now be able to take a pptx and quickly and easily go into the background of Microsoft PowerPoint in the File tab and change the file format to an older edition of Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have any questions about what you've just learned today, feel free to give me a call. View this as many times as you like, and thank you for watching.